EM620 CNC and milling machine. Full enclosed machine body design effectively reduces noise during milling process. Adopts double spindle and double tool output design. One of the spindles can automatically switch between horizontal and vertical cutting directions. Process via scanning code, with real-time interconnection with ERP software. One stroke. Process both ways, no idle running for the machine. Double spindles and double tool outputs allow flexible combination of tools with different thicknesses for various profiles. High rigidity bed and high precision double spindles deliver excellent milling performance. Process surfaces are precise, smooth and burr-free. 4 cylinders for strong material pressing, keeping profiles stable without displacement.